morning, students. Today we will do the exercise question of chapter triangles, chapter number 7. Here first question of exercise 7.1 is, it is given in the question that ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC is equal to AD. So first we will write the given. AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A means the measure of these two angles are equal, means CAB is equal to DAB, and we have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABB. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABB. Now prove. We have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So first we will write in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In ABC and ABD, AC is equal to AD. This is given in the question. Second, AB is equal to AB common. And the last condition is these two angles are equal. CAB is equal to DAB. This is given. Therefore, triangles are congruent by SAS. And further they said, what can you say about BC and DD? What can you say about these two line segments, these two sides of triangle? These are equal because the triangles are congruent, and we know that if triangles are congruent then their corresponding parts are equal. Therefore BC is equal to BD by CPC. Clear? Now next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, ABCD is a quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. So we will write and given AC is equal to BD, and drawing their diagonals AC and DB such that angle DAB is equal to CBA. These two angles are equal. Angle DAB is equal to CBA. We have to prove the three parts in this question. First part is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Second part, BD is equal to AC. And the third part, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Now prove. First in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है. फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज AB इज इक्वल टू BC गिवन. सेकेंड एंगल DAB इज इक्वल टू ACBA अगेन गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. एंड द लास्ट कंडीशन, दिस साइड इज कॉमन इन बोथ द ट्राइंगल. AB इज इक्वल टू BA कॉमन. Therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by angle side angle, this side, this angle and this side. Now next to part, BD equal to AC. Yes, BD equal to AC by CPCT because these are the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. And similarly angle ABD, this angle is equal to BAC because again these angles are the part of the congruent triangles. And angle ABD is equal to BAC by CPC. Clear? Now let us start next question. Question number 3. Third question again, figure is given in which AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to the line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. A, B, O. This is 90 perpendiculars are there. This is B and C. And AD and BC are equal. So we have to prove that CD bisects AB. First we will write what is given in the question. Given is AB is equal to BC and angle B is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree. These angles are of measure 90 degree. We have to prove. अब हमें प्रूव करना है that CD bisects AB. That this CD bisects AB means that is we have to prove AO is equal to BO. Means the length of these two parts are equal. Now these two parts are the part of these two triangles. If we prove that these two triangles are congruent, then automatically these parts are equal by CPCD. So we will take triangle in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. First condition is angle A equal to angle B 90 degree. Second condition is AD is equal to BC given. And the third condition is, suppose this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. Vertically opposite angles. Angle A, AD, angle 2 is equal to angle 1. Vertically opposite angle. First हमने पहले AOD triangle लिखे हैं. हम AOD के parts पहले लिखेंगे and then the parts of the second triangle. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by angle side. Therefore, AO is equal to OB by CPCD, or we can write CD bisects AB. Clear? Now let us start next question. Question number 4. Fourth question is L and M are the two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Here these two are parallel lines P and Q. P and Q. And these are also parallel lines L and M. So what is given in the question? P is parallel to Q and M is parallel to M. Show that triangle ABC. So give the naming of the parts. A, B, C and D, and join this AC. We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Clear? So first is we have to write the names of triangle in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. First condition, AC is equal to CA. Common in both the triangles. Second, suppose I mark these angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Alternate angles. 3 is equal to 2. Again alternate angles. Therefore triangle ABC congruent to CDA by angle side angle. ये प्रूव करना था क्वेश्चन में हमने. Okay, now next question number 7. Fifth and sixth question you will try yourself. Now question number 7. Seventh question is AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint. So first here AB is a line segment and P is midpoint. So we will write given that AB is equal to DP. And D is a point, D and E are the points on the same side of AB, such that, as we will complete the figure, such that angles BAD is equal to angle ABE and angle EPA is equal to DPB, means BAD, these points are E and D. Here BAD, BAD, this angle is equal to ABE, these two angles are equal, and EPA, this angle is equal to EPB, this angle. These angles are equal given in the question, and we have to prove that first triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EPB, and the second part is AD is equal to BE. So we will write the names of triangle first. Okay, before that, we write on DAP and triangle EBP. The first condition is triangles and arcs DAP. Here first condition is angle A. A means BAD is equal to angle ABE, or we can write PBE. Similarly, in this triangle we can write PAD. Clear? And the second one is these two angles. P is the midpoint, so AP is equal to BP, because this is given in the question, and this is again given because P is the midpoint. Clear? Now the third condition. How can we find the third condition? Let this angle be angle 3. Is triangle में ये total angle आ रहा है, and in the another triangle this total angle comes. So we have to add this common part of the angle in these two angles. So what we will write in third condition here. Now angle, this angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. We'll add angle 3 on both sides. दोनों sides पे add कर देंगे इसको. Therefore EPA plus angle 3 equal to DPB plus angle 3. Now EPA plus angle 3 will become APD, and this angle DPB plus angle 3 becomes BPE. So this is our third condition. Therefore triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EPB by angle side angle, and the second one is AD equal to BE. Yes, by CPCP. Therefore AD is equal to BE by CPCP. Next exercise we will discuss in next video.